patterns. It can be letters, numbers, or shapes. A pattern is a set of rules. And notice I underlined the word rules because you must have a certain rule in order to understand what your pattern is. Take, for example, here you see one ball. Okay, then look over here at this right here, and you see 1, 2, 3. Now you have 3 balls. And then up here you have 1 ball, which is right here, 2 balls, and then at the bottom I put 3 balls. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then over here, the same thing. We have 1 ball, just like I have on top of these. And then I have 2 balls, which is 2 balls for these. And then you notice I added, this is 3 balls, and now you notice I added 4 balls. So that's 3 balls. That's 4 balls. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 balls. Now, just by looking at this, can you see a pattern? Yes, there's a pattern. Don't look at the bottom numbers at the bottom. You're going to be looking at the balls to determine what comes next. Now, right here, I have 2 balls. Right here, I have 3 balls. And right here, I have 4 balls. Now you have to tell me what will come next over here. So our pattern is 1. And then we have 2 balls. We have 2. And then we have 3 balls. Then we have 4 balls. So our next pattern would be to make a row that has 5 balls. So you got to put your 1 ball up here, 2 balls under, 3 balls under here, 4 balls under here, and then 5 balls. And this is our pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as we said, now those are in numbers. Another way you can do patterns, if you want to do it that way, well, let's see if it works first. 1 and 3 will give us, what's 1 plus 3? 1 plus what will give us 3? So we can say 1 times 3. And then 3 and 3, we can say plus 3. And then 6 to 11 will be plus 5. That wouldn't be a pattern because we have times 3 plus 5. So that pattern wouldn't work. So the pattern that works is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That pattern does work. Now take a look at your shapes. We're going to be using the AB pattern. And the AB pattern that I'm going to use is going to have a triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. And you will have to tell me what will come next. Now what will come next would be triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. Triangle will come next, circle, triangle, and circle. This part of the process is called extending. The children must be able to not only write what comes next, but they have to extend it. And this is my AB pattern. Now you have to ask yourself, where is your pattern unit? Your pattern unit will be triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. This is your pattern unit. Then you have your ABB pattern. And your ABB pattern can consist of letters. Any letter you choose to use. Now you may use ABB, ABB, ABB. And then you will write the 3 letters that come next. So ABB, 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 and it will be ABB. Then you have all your patterns in which you can use. Now there are other ways that you can use patterns. You can use patterns, for example, if you have triangle, circle, diamond, square, triangle, circle, diamond, square. Now, if you had this on a laminated card, you will give this to your students, and you will have them not only look at how you have the pattern already put on your card, but they will also need to go and look at this card. The card should be laminated. The picture should be nice and colorful. They're using different colors. It doesn't matter the color, because a triangle is a triangle, a circle is a circle, a diamond still is a diamond, a square still is a square. And it doesn't matter what color it is. All you need to know is what comes next. So, it can be either or. You can have the children write on it, or you can have them get the pieces and give them a card, and they must put the pieces in order according to what comes next in the pattern. Now let's take, for example, if they were to write on this, it'll go triangle, circle, diamond, square. Triangle, circle, diamond, square. And then it will be triangle, circle, diamond, square. This is one way they can do it. They can write exactly on what you already have laminated. Or you can give them their own, which is a half sheet of construction paper, and just have them paste the pieces on, and which will come next on the card. So these are different ways of doing patterns. And this concludes my lesson for patterns.